Hi, my name's Libby and I have a problem with plants. I purchase plants, I propagate plants, and then I keep getting more plants, and this is what my desk looks like. It's a nursery 98% of the time. So I'm gonna fix that by using this. Did I just waste $16? You might be saying, uh-oh, why do you have a tension shower rod caddy thing? You already have one in your shower and it works beautifully. I'm gonna lose my shit. This keeps falling apart. I take zero credit for this idea. I saw it on TikTok. But this is going to hold my plants. Weebles wobble. Okay, Libby, where are you gonna put it? I can't put it in this corner because my desk butts up to this corner and then I wouldn't be able to open my windows. So we're gonna have to go to my bedroom. Now, don't make it weird and don't sit on my bed with your outside clothes, okay? Okay, it's really rainy outside and I did not realize it was this dark in here. Sorry about that. One thing I've learned with small spaces is we need to go higher. Vertical storage is the best option for me. Like out there, I've got my plant stand and my little rack guy. Those are both vertical storage. I just need to maximize it a little more. So this is the corner in question. We are going to put the shower caddy in here and hopefully it can hold 4 plants, which should probably take all of that stuff off of my desk. It says 5 to 9 feet. I think that will be enough. I believe these are 8-foot ceilings. I don't know, I'm 5'7" and I can't quite I can't quite touch. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm hoping that it works. Let's just get to building it, shall we? The instructions seem easy enough. Slip the spring inside the straight tube. Okay, giggity. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Does anybody else see a problem? These baskets are tiny. Barely. Okay, that's fine. We can, this one's even tinier. Okay. I assumed they were all the same size. We will just see. So we have 2 long tapered tubes, 1 short tapered tube, 1 straight tube. That's you. 1 1/2-inch diameter tube. You're smaller, so there you go. A bottom end cap and then the extension. So you're the extension for the 9-foot ceilings. I will be needing you, I know that. So I put the spring in the straight tube. Okay, place 1 end cap. Which one is D? D is the 1/2-inch diameter, but the end cap doesn't fit. What? Oh, here you are. Which one is J? What? Top end cap with hole. It goes this way. Feels wrong. Probably is wrong. But we're doing it. Boom. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. And then the short tapered tube B. I'm missing a tube, am I not? Help, I'm so confused. Are you coming to help me? Are you coming to help me make me less confused? All right, we're just gonna roll with it because I don't really know. That should be enough though. If we just do A. Okay, now I can't get the tube. Why are you stuck under my pillow? Oh my God. Stop coming apart. Oh, good heavens. This is gonna have to be 2 parts. Part 1. Oh my, I'm gonna lose my, this keeps falling apart. And if I get 1 more ounce of popcorn ceiling on my bed, I'm gonna freak out. All right, so that's the top half, or the bottom half. Okay, do I need the 9-foot extension is my question. Probably not. Mother, if this comes apart 1 more time, I'm gonna lose my mind. I can only be patient for so long. Everything keeps falling apart. I bust this ceiling, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh my God. Weebles wobble. Why is this so wobbly? This literally saves so much space over here. We see the vision, right? My other one was not that shaky. Oh, she's a thick girl. Oh, she's much better made. Yeah, plus she's anchored to the wall and this one did not come with anchors. Did I just waste $16 and my time? Let's put some small plants up here and see how it goes, I guess. Don't worry if you're a little nervous about it, because I'm also a little nervous about it. Bruh. Like, I don't think it's gonna just like spontaneously combust. I mean, it might. See how like if I push it back, it fits snug? Can you see? Do I get a command strip of sorts? I don't know, this is laughable. I know I have some form of command strips in here. We organized this. Do you guys remember that? Who remembers me having command strips? I thought I did. Okay, maybe not. My hope was Miss Medusa could go live there. Or my other pothos. Okay, so you need watered, clearly. Look at how pissed off you are. She's clearly not thriving where she is. She needs watered. I will water her. But I was really hoping Medusa could be up there. I don't think Medusa. She's a big girl. I'm so scared right now. Oh, you fit. Oh my gosh, you actually fit. Not in anything but your nursery pot, but okay. I don't hate that once you're watered. Miss Girl, you look so sad up there. I just duct taped the crap out of it. If you're new here, this duct tape does not stick. I need new duct tape, but this is what we're working with for right now, okay? Till I figure out a better anchoring solution. Let's style these 3 ones. The plant that goes up here is being watered currently. Let's chop right here. And I will literally just stick it in. Ew. Girl, why are you sticky? I'll stick it in the top up here to fill it out. And if it roots, it roots. If it doesn't, it'll let me know. But that's how I try to make my plants, my pothos, fuller on the top. She's got 3 new ones up here. So she got a nice little haircut. Oh, she's very wet. Oh my goodness. Girly pop. Okay, you look much better. Oh my gosh. I love it. I think that works. I'm not super happy about that one. Mostly because I don't have a cute cover pot for it. And also look how wonky she is, like not straight, but that's okay. She's putting out new growth. She's happy. That's what matters, right? And unfortunately, I do think the snake plant is going to have to go there again. Which, like, my purpose was to not have the snake plant here. But I think it looks okay. I just have a feeling it's not gonna fit. Yeah. Ugh. And that's pretty heavy for this, I think. Dang it. I should have got the more expensive, sturdier one, but I did not. Shoot. I don't usually get bothered by these little shelves behind me, but they just look a little unruly right now. I'm going to have to organize those. I'm going to sit on this. I'm going to sit on it. I'm going to walk in and out of here. see how I feel about it, because I can put my air purifier here or my dehumidifier here, and I can put my snake plant on my end table. We have options, so I'm just gonna feel this out. Gonna feel this out for a bit. Can we see how much space that cleared out from before to now? I do think though, I have an idea of how to make even this look less cluttered. All of my propagations are looking so sad. I'm not gonna make you sit here and go through my brain jumble. I'm gonna do a bunch of rearranging with this, so give me a second. Have the urge to hang a plant. This is what I have so far with this. It looks better, but where does Medusa go? It's the next day. It is the next evening. My phone died last night and I did a few things while you guys were charging. I'm so sorry. I hope you forgive me. It really wasn't that entertaining. I just almost fell off of a stool a few times, which that might be entertaining for some people. But I want to show you what the desk looks like without all the plants on it. Look at how much better that stand looks. That looks phenomenal. And these are all not used pots, okay? Okay. So just see how like much cleaner it looks over here. It doesn't look as haphazard. And with Medusa not there, yeah. Okay, so where did Medusa go? I was hoping you would ask that. Do you want to know why I almost fell off the stool? This is not Medusa. This is the little one that was sitting in the corner. But look at her. Doesn't she look beautiful? Yeah, I'll take the sale tag off. I was just hoping she wouldn't fall. So I did this last night. That hole already existed. I don't have anything that can create a hole. All I had was a little mount guy that could screw into it. Yeah, and I just screwed it in there, put a little bit of pressure on it, and it's been hanging ever since. And she's perked up beautifully after I watered her. Okay, now Libby, where's Medusa? It is literally nighttime and none of my lights are working in here. So this is the most terrifying thing you've ever seen in your life. But this is where Medusa has ended up. Look at how gorgeous she looks. I will get pictures in the daylight so it doesn't look as terrifying, I promise. Looks like we're about to be in the Blair Witch Project. There is nothing on that guy right there. I think I'll put like a light there or even like a little humidifier. But I absolutely adore it. I love it very, very much. I don't know what to do with these 3 pots. I will figure out what to do with those at a later date. I think it looks phenomenal. I think that was one of the better ideas that I've ever had. And then I'm really happy that I tried to mount that because it looks so cute. I really wanted to put a light up there, but honestly, if that plant falls, she'll survive. If a light falls, it won't. And my sister got it for me and it's a really pretty, like one-of-a-kind light. So use your vertical storage. Climb those walls, baby, and climb the ceilings if you can. Up, up, up we go. I have 2 more vertical storage ideas in mind because I've been here. This will be going into year 3. So I kind of know what we need and where we are in our life. Stick around for more vertical storage. And I believe the next video is going to be a vlog, a day in my life of de-influencing you from what all the influencers show you. Because we show real life over here, baby. Real freaking life. Thank you so much for, oh my God, Remy. Thank you so much for joining me. You guys are clearly gonna tip. It's fine, what is wrong? Okay, he's not gonna let me say it. I'll see you guys in the next one, bye.